In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Costco online for home delivery. If you're a Costco enthusiast who loves the warehouse feel but also appreciates convenience, this guide is tailor-made for you. We're going to walk through the online order process so you can enjoy everything Costco has to offer from the comfort of your home. Let's dive right into it. First, you should visit the Costco website using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the shopping cart icon, usually found at the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on that icon will take you to the shopping cart page, where you'll be able to review the items you've selected for purchase. Once you've reviewed your cart, the next step is to click on the business delivery link. This is crucial because it directs you to the platform that handles online orders meant for home delivery. It's essential to ensure that you're on the correct platform to avoid any mix-ups with in-store pickup or other options. After selecting business delivery, you'll be prompted to set your delivery location. This step is quite straightforward. You'll need to enter your address details by providing your zip code. This helps Costco determine whether delivery to your location is available and informs them of where to send your groceries or other items. Once you've set your delivery location, the next step involves entering your delivery zip code and scheduling your delivery. Typically, Costco's delivery service allows you to choose a date and time frame that best suits your convenience, so feel free to select the option that works best for you. Pay attention to any specific delivery windows, as some areas may have limitations based on logistics. Now that your delivery information is all set, it's time to proceed to checkout. This is the exciting part where you finalize your order. Simply review your cart one last time to ensure everything you want is there. Then proceed to the payment section, where you'll need to provide your payment details. Be sure to enter the information accurately to avoid any issues. Once your payment is successfully processed, you should receive a confirmation email detailing your order and delivery information. Keep an eye on your inbox for updates as your delivery date approaches. So there you have it. Ordering from Costco online for home delivery is as simple as that. Enjoy the convenience of having Costco bring their vast range of products right to your doorstep. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident navigating Costco's online platform. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!